Welcome Degens. Today, I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on our new CyberFrog's partnership for discounted use of their Auto Thor V3 contract. We're going to start off on the CyberFrog's website that can be reached at cyberfrogs.io. Now we'll come right down here and go to their Auto Thor V3 contract. Alrighty, Thor V3. We're going to go over here and click Select Wallet, Phantom. And here in Phantom, we'll be asked for permission. This app would like to view your wallet balance and activity and request approval for transactions. Okay, sounds good. Click Connect. Alrighty, now we're connected. Now let's start off with a little bit more info about what Thor V3 is. Auto Thor V3. Disclaimer. By depositing funds into this contract, you acknowledge and agree to the following terms. Your funds will be used for automated trading on your behalf. Past performance is not indicative of future results. There are inherent risks in cryptocurrency trading. Please carefully review and consider these terms before proceeding. The contract. The contract is a risk-averse trading contract. This position will trade based on 1 day, 4 hour, and 1 hour confirmed Thor signals. This is a spot trading contract, meaning that no leverage will be applied and that you will be buying and selling SOL with the USDC amount you pledged to the contract. The maximum time a contract can stay active is 90 days. This position operates by scaling into calls. Please note that you will be, quote, buying the dip or, quote, selling the pump in phases and incrementally. This contract is designed for long-term management of your funds. Alrighty, now that we've gone through the disclaimer and what exactly this contract does, let's see how to open a position. Let's say I want to open a position of 100 USD. I make sure to click here. By using Auto Thor V3 contract, I agree to the terms of service. Check that off. We have to pay a deposit fee for opening a position. We can either pay that in Kira or we can pay that in USDC. For this, I'm going to pay it in USDC, and it is actually a $5 USDC fee. Now, in order to make this deposit of 100 USDC, it says I need to deposit 20.708 USDC and 0.841 SOL. And that is because this contract holds different ratios of SOL and USDC at any given time. And so when you're entering a position, you're entering at that current ratio. Now, I do have over 100 USDC, but I need 0.695 more SOL to pledge. So I'm just going to click here to swap some USDC over to 0.695 SOL, which is the remaining I need to meet this requirement here. So I'm going to go ahead and click swap. It's going to open up a transaction. Let's see. I am swapping USDC for SOL. Perfect. Click confirm. Now that I've taken care of that swap, I now have the required amount of USDC and SOL to be able to open up a $100 position in this Thor V3 contract. And thanks to our partnership with CyberFrog's, any Degen Ape Academy asset is going to only be taxed 16% on the profit that's made from your position. Now, regularly, if you didn't have any NFT or any partnership with CyberFrog's, it would actually be 20%. So we get a nice 4% discount there, which is really nice. And the last thing is, remember, this contract is going to be locked for 90 days. That means you are opening this position and will have to wait at minimum 90 days to be able to withdraw. Alrighty, now that we've gone over everything and we know exactly what we're getting into, we're going to go ahead and open this $100 position. We're going to use the deposit fee of USDC, and we are depositing these 20.728 USDC as well as 0.842 SOL for a total deposit of 100. Go ahead and click open position. Here is our transaction confirmation. Going to deposit this amount of SOL and this amount of USDC. Perfect. Click confirm. And there we go. Our position should be open. Let's go ahead and click refresh. Alrighty, now that we've refreshed the page, we can see that we have an initial USDC of 99.78. Our current USDC in this position is $20.73. Current SOL is 0.84 for a total USDC value of $100. Current tax on profit is 4 cents. So as this position changes and as the USDC value of your contract changes, you will get taxed on that, and you can withdraw your position in 90 days. Now that we've refreshed the page, we can see exactly what our position is in this contract with a USDC value of $100. And you can come back to this page at a later date and check out how your position is doing. And you can already see a timer over here counting down 89 days, 23 hours, 57 minutes, and 38 seconds and counting of when you can withdraw this position. And that's it for this tutorial. Remember, not financial advice, and ape responsibly.